Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that how to use options to read the configuration in a strongly typed way. So this is the clean architecture project, or I will show you the exact way to like how to implement the I options and what the layers we will use to make it possible. In the last video we have covered all such things regarding the how to set up the clean architecture. Along with that, we use the mediator as well. So these are several things that we have discussed in the previous video. So don't worry guys, just check out the link in the description box of this video. Or guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues on network as well, for your daily updates and for your upcoming videos as well. Okay, along with that, guys, we have covered the clean architecture in the last video, or I got a lot of DMs and lot of emails for you from you, and you ask me sir, we want to go deep in the clean architecture. So don't worry guys, so I thought I should go deep as well. Or most of you definitely you love the video as well, or I see the good response in the previous video as well. So this is why I thought I should create the video for you. So this is how we will use the I options pattern. Guys, first you should know why we use the I options and why we need this. So let's go there. Thereafter, in the app settings, so there is a field that we always know, whenever the fresher starts the project in the MVC or web API core. So at that moment, you always add the connection strings, or thereafter you add the database connections. So if you want to use that connection string, so simply just you use the I configuration, or thereafter you mention the get sections or get values as well. So this is not a good practice and recommended practice as well. So this is why we need the IOptions interfaces, or we will use that service to read the configuration in a strongly typed way. So this is why we should always configure the things with the IOptions. But still, there are the three things that you need to know about the IOptions, IOptions monitor, and IOptions snapshots, and I will explain you each one in this video as well. So in the last video we covered the things in the in the infrastructure layer. We have the dependency injection class, or thereafter you have noticed at that moment I have registered my application DB context, or I have hard coded my DB context like a DB connection string here. But this is not a good practice, or I will show you that how to make it possible as well. Like whenever you use the if I tell you one thing, like if whenever you use the Azure key vault services as well. So at that moment, you have to maintain such things as well, or like if you use the Azure environment variables. So at that moment, you will feel suffer as well, or maybe your code won't get clean as well. Okay, so this is why I thought I should bring this video. So let's see that how to make it this thing. So first, what you need to hear first, I will just open the appsettings.json. Thereafter I will define the connection strings, or I will just add the default connections. Oh guys, that this video is very important for all the developers who wants to master the clean architecture with me, or and most of you have aware about the clean architecture as well, or I have explained each and every concepts behind the clean architecture, because uh, most of you always worried about how to set up the clean architecture. And in fact, in fact, I got an email or where the person told me sir, it was my dream to create the clean architecture. I have watched lot of videos of the clean architecture, but I never understood how to set up those things. But you have like uh, teach me in a very good way, in a very easiest way as well. Or guys, if you have watched that video, so I just want the feedback on of this video in this comment box of this video as well. Okay, so now let's go further things. So we have defined the default connections in the appsettings.json, but the task comes here, like how you will access this thing into the infrastructure layer. Because if you see the direction of the project references, you will notice that your API layer can access the infrastructure and the application layer, but your infrastructure can't access your API layer. So how we can make it possible? So there are still, like, we have a lot of things that we will do here. Okay, or there is a tricky part as well. Okay, so you will notice, like we have the, like we have created the like options folder here. Okay, or so that, like so that our time won't get waste as well. So what you need to here, you will see, like I have created the class. It should not be a static class. Okay, so what you need to here, we have, like first you have to create the options folder in the core layer, because we have discussed that your core layer will consist of entities, models, DTOs, or such things as well. So this is why, like you should so like this is why, like whenever you work with the options as well, so you have to go with the core layer. Okay, thereafter what you need to here, first we will define the, like public string, public const, like we will create the constant as well, public constant string, or I will name it as a, like section name. Super. Thereafter, like what the section name you want to define, the section name I want to define as a, now let's move here. The section name is connection string sections. Or guys, whenever you work with the uh, IOptions, okay, or if you want to read the configuration value from the app settings using the options, so you have to, like you always need the section name. Okay, or you at that, so if you work with the configuration I configuration interface, so at that moment you will notice, like we use the get section function. So this is why, like we will use the section name string here. Thereafter you have to create the public string. I will just create the property. Property is the, like it should be the same name as well. Okay, or simply I will just make it as a get setter. Okay, or now let's make it nullable as well. Like it's not good practice if you leave it without nullable. Okay, now what you need to here, we have created the uh, connection string options. Thereafter you have to go to the my API. In this API you will notice that we have the dependency injections. Okay, now there is important part that comes here. Okay, so you will see in this thing. Okay, you have to open the infrastructure layer dependency injection. Or now what you need to here, I will just add the I configure, like I configuration. So just you have to add the I configuration. So I configuration, or along with that, like you have to add the NuGet package as well, like it is required. Or if it is not asking you, so that's a very good thing. But if it is required, so you have to install them Microsoft extension dot configuration. That's it. Or there, how so in such a way, like you have to initialize the I configuration. Thereafter you have to go there, or add the dependency injection. Or simply what you need to here, I will just add, like I will just pass the I configuration from the my API dependency injection. So I configuration. Superb, that's good. Or so we have passed the configuration here. Or you have noticed one thing, like it is the reference in the program CS file as well. So here you have to define like you have to send the configuration value as well, because it is required there. So also you will notice, like all such things are connected to each other. Thereafter what the things that you will notice here. Okay, we have added the such things here. Go to your core DI. Thereafter I will just add a new things here. Okay, it is a very mandatory thing, or please don't underestimate such things as well, because like it is a very a crucial part of your applications as well. Okay, so simply that's that is the thing. Or I will just need the first what you need to hear. I will just remove this thing. Okay, not remove. I will just I will just add the two parameters in the delegates, or the first parameter that I will add the provider, like service provider. Okay, so service provider. So that's the thing I would name it as a service provider. Or whenever you hover on the add DB context, so you will see that the first parameter is using the iService provider, and the second parameter that we are using as a iService connections. So first you should know like what is the iService provider. So iService provider, like whenever you want to use other services, or the other objects. Okay, so like at that moment you have to use the iService provider. But definitely guys, I will use the iService provider at this moment. Okay, so what the thing I will use here, I will just add the IOptions. Okay, before the things go start. Okay, first I will install a NuGet package in the core layer, because it is very necessary, and it is very crucial to add here. Okay, or the package name that I will show you as a Microsoft dot extensions, or dot config, not config, it should be options, or options dot configuration extension. You have to install this package in your core layer. Install this package with the latest version of your application. Okay, so at that moment you will see we have installed this package. So what you need to here, just go to your dependency injection, or you have to initialize the I configuration, or just add your configuration in the core DI. Now what you need to here, I will just mention the service dot configure. Okay, in the configure, like what the configuration I want to add here, the configuration I want to configure this connection string options. So that's a good thing. Thereafter what you need to here, we will define so many things here. Okay, so configuration dot get section. So this is the get section that I will use here. Or thereafter what I will just use here, I will just add the default connections. Okay, so connection and string options dot default connections. Okay, so not section name. That's a good thing that we have added here. Okay, so so in this way, like you will see, like we are able to access the section as a connection string. Okay, so we have registered this thing in the add core DI. Or whenever you start, or whenever you go there, so in the first you have to go to the application layer. So in the application layer we are not calling any core layer as well. So just go to your application deep there. Okay, I will just add the add a core DI. Okay, or thereafter I will pass the configuration here. Okay, so like all the configuration we are passing from the application to the core DI as well. Okay, so all such things we have added here. Thereafter we are able to use the things in such a way. Okay, so first what you need to hear, I will just use the service provider dot get required service. Okay, in this get required service I will add the I will use the IOptions monitor. Okay, or the options monitor. Thereafter I will define the which service I want to use. I want to use the options service, not the, what the class name is, connection string options. That's a good thing. Superb. Or now what I will just do here, I will just use the like not current value dot current value. That's it. I think it should current value. Superb. Or I will just use the things like current value dot default connections. So like in such a way, like you will see here like how we can use IOptions in the clean architecture. Or if I just build this application, so like if any error occurs, so we will resolve this error at the same moment. Or may I think there is no any error. That's a very good thing. Superb. Or I will just remove and sort the usings as well. Or if I run this application, so we will see and we will notice like everything is working fine or not. Thereafter, like we can proceed with the other things as well. So now let's wait to run this application. Or go to your http file. So this is my http file. Or I will just try to send the request to get all the list of the students. Or let's wait for for few seconds to check like everything is working fine or not. Or I will show you like okay, so like we are getting the results. Or like and we are able to use this connection strings into the infrastructure layer. So in such a way, like you can use the IOptions as well. Or you have learned two things in this video. First is you have understand like how to like what is the purpose to use the IOptions. Thereafter, you will see like how we can how we can use the things and get the value into the infrastructure layer. So that's a very common thing and a common video as well, but most of you are not aware about this thing as well. So if for the next time, whenever you try to use try to read the configuration value from the app settings, always make sure you have to read the values using the IOptions. Or in such a way like you have to manage the things as well in the dependency injections of the core DI. So you have seen like how to register your like section as well. Okay, so this is a very common thing, but make sure guys whenever you use the I configuration, so your I configuration will be passed from application layer, not application, your API layer. Okay, so that's the like overall this is your main application as well. Okay, so from the main applications you have to always send the high configuration as well. Otherwise your application won't get work. In fact your application would die as well. Okay, so if you love this video, if you love this content, so guys, I just want to request you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends, your colleagues, and as well, and hit the like button. Or I know I was absent since last 2 days. Okay, so I'm very sorry for it because I was busy with other things as well. So and I was planning something good for you. Okay, and soon you will definitely get to know like what's the thing I have prepared for you as well. Okay, or guys, if you want to if you want one-to-one mentorship from me as well, okay, so I am available for on the topmed.io, or I have reduced the price for you. Or if you want to buy and if you want to book the session as well, so welcome to on this platform. Or at this moment you will see like there is I got a lot of DMs as well like sir, your session price is too high, we want some discount as well. Don't worry guys, we have given you a 71% discount as well. Or if you want to use the things as well, so just you have to go there. Or thereafter or you have to book your session as well. Okay, or I will show, or there is a promo code, please don't forget to use that promo code as well. So you have to go to the add discount code, or add your promo code as a F2B of 71. we have given you the 71% discount as well. So the original price was 2899, and right now it is showing the at 41 rupees as well. So I think that's a very nominal price as well. Or if you are like, if you want to ask me anything in the mentorship program, so guys, we always welcome you. Or there is one thing like, guys, like, we have the limited slots are available, or this offer is only valid for till the 4th February. Okay, so don't get delay, start your book your session right now, or just enjoy the things as well. So thank you for watching this video till here. Oh, guys, I just want to request you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, to your colleagues, network as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till then. Take care, guys. Bye bye, have a good day.